Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Canadian monthly, I still think it looks like impulsive down and corrective up, but then what happened was it made three ways down. If this was the end of a correction, it wouldn't have made three ways down and turned up like that, so this most likely is going to go up, maybe even take out this high before we get another attempt to continue the downtrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is an A, I think this is a B, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. If that is the end of a wave C, then this probably is going to keep on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. So on the daily, I definitely still see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, but the way this fifth wave is stretched out makes me think that this is probably not over. It's actually probably just a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. It is actually not even over. No break of structure to the downside tells me there's no reason to think the trend is over. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, looked like we could have had the end of a trend right here with that fifth wave, but it never broke structure to the downside, never gave us any reason to think the trend was over, and it's still going up. We are at that 61%, so we have to keep an eye out for a bounce on that, but I think there is a pretty good chance that it could just break out of there and just keep on going up. If we get a break of structure to the downside, then that will change my mind, and I will start looking for shorts in a downtrend. But since I do not have a break of structure, then I am not doing anything except for looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we had what looked like a wave 5 right here, and then it made 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, very clear end of a correction. And then it made 1, 2, 3 waves down again, impulsive up, another very clear end of a correction. I think there's a good chance that this is going to break out of this level and just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. That tells me that if I do get any chances to go long at the end of pullbacks, those are definitely the trades that I'm looking for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.